wise and gentle dog of the world. Are you ready to howl? Tonight we're saying Happy Halloween in every corner of the planet. Hold on to your bones!
Starting in Europe, Ireland, Samhain, France, La Toussaint, Italy, Odnisanti, Poland, Zaduszki, Spain, Todos los Santos, Sweden, Alla Helgons Dag, Russia, Den Vzexviatik.
Rolling to the Americas, USA, Halloween, Mexico, Dia de los Muertos, Brazil, Dia de Finados, Guatemala, Fiambre de los Muertos, Peru, Dia de los Difuntos, Chile, Dia de las Animas. Across the Pacific to Asia, Japan, Obon, China, Chungyuanje, Korea, Chuseok, India, Pitru Paksha, India, Pchumben, Vietnam, Vulan, Philippines, Undas, Philippines, down to Oceania, Australia, Halloween, mate, New Zealand, Spooky Kiora Day, Samoa, All Saints Weekend.
Over to Africa, Nigeria, Egungun Festival, Ghana, Odwira, Madagascar, Famadihana, Ethiopia, All Souls Day, Ethiopia.
Middle East check-in. Lebanon, Yom al-Arwah, Egypt, Coptic All Souls Day. Same souls, different names. The candles change, but the love and the memories stay the same for the ones we've lost. One planet, one night of memory, music, and maybe a few extra snacks. Stay kind, stay curious, and happy Howl-o-ween, mammals!